Bitcoin is currently trading around $28,000, and what a 10 days it's been. Hi, I'm Steve, the Sussex Trader, and today we're going to break down the last 10 days of madness in the crypto markets. And if you're still here, well done to you. You've survived. This is nothing compared to what we had last year. Come on, this is a small bump in the road. But before we get into it, hit the like button. A comment at the bottom is appreciated. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do. So in the last 10 days, we have gone from super bearish news and lawsuits from the SEC right up to most recently some really super bullish news in terms of big investors and ETFs. So let's break it down. So what feels like a lifetime ago now, on June the 6th, the SEC in America announced they were going after Binance US and Coinbase for selling unregistered securities. And then not long after that, there was a release of a list of cryptocurrencies that the SEC deemed to be securities. And this included projects such as BNB, Solana, Cardano, Matic, Atom, and other huge projects which then proceeded to dump. And then the news came out about delistings in American exchanges, including the likes of Robinhood, who said they were taking some of these projects that were on the list off of their platform. And then, as if that wasn't bad enough, on Saturday morning, the 10th of June, a lot of altcoins did exactly what you can see on the chart here. We lost around 20% of value, which panicked everybody. I was at the Coin Bureau event on the Saturday, and it was a real topic of discussion because people have got up at 5:30 in the morning to travel down to London, and they've seen these huge red candles across the marketplace. But then it seems over the last week or so, the dust has settled a bit. Brian Armstrong from Coinbase came out with his gloves on to go and fight the SEC. And then, as if it was written in a script, Blackrock, the world's largest asset management firm, have now filed a Bitcoin spot ETF. Now, yes, I know what you're thinking. Lots of people have already tried and failed to get a Bitcoin spot ETF into the marketplace. But the reason BlackRock doing it is so significant is because they have filed over 500 ETFs with the SEC, and only one has ever been rejected. Now, what this has done is it's meant BlackRock has brought some optimism back into the markets, with other companies who previously filed Bitcoin spot ETFs now resubmitting their applications. And this, in my opinion, is why we have seen over 10% increase in price in Bitcoin in the last few days. In my opinion, this was always part of the plan. The SEC FUDded crypto to make the bags cheaper, and then BlackRock comes in like a knight riding on a big white horse to save the day with this bullish news. Now, we don't know if this is going to get approved by the SEC, but given BlackRock's previous records, it's got probably more of a chance than others have got. Now, I know I've only been in the space for 3 years, but we keep seeing this time and time again. Follow the money is always my opinion. The big money and institutions will always want you to do the opposite of what they're telling you to do in the media. So what next for Bitcoin? We've broken out of this trend line, and for me, if we can get through 28k, it's a clear run up to 30. But personally, my longer targets are around the $34,000 Bitcoin mark. Possibly, I'm hoping maybe end of July or into August. But given how everything seems to be driven by fundamental news, who knows? This ETF could get rejected, and then we could see some big red candles again. So if you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe and turn channel notifications on, and I'll see you again next time.